Hello again. Here's another custom saber finished. As you can see, it is a replica of Obi-Wan Kenobi's Episode 4 saber. I like to call it Old Ben. It has a very heavy weathered finish, and it's mostly custom machined by me, but there are some parts which I acquired elsewhere since they were readily available and I wanted to save time. For example, the activation box frame, it's from Saber Kit G-Box. The pommel is a modified MHS. The ring is from eBay, and the booster is made custom made in ShapeWays 3D printing company. It's actually plastic, but since there's no paint all over it, so it doesn't see. It's hard to tell whether it's plastic or aluminum. But the rest of the parts are done by me. It's a very thin neck. I tried to replicate the dimensions and measures as close as in real prop. And here's a close-up of the emitter. I don't know if you can see it under this lighting I have here, but here's it anyway. You can see with the safety block. The Saber has a Neutrino soundboard. It's one of those cheap ones. You've probably seen those on eBay. And double blue TripleForce LED setup from SaberProject guys. It has blue dies wired in parallel. 4 alkaline batteries and 1 watt premium speaker, which I have set up in reverse sound configuration, which means that the speaker actually is facing the emitter instead of the pommel. So it creates a sort of impression that the sound actually emanates from the blade and not from the hilt end. It's actually a very elusive effect, so you have to be around the saber to feel or to catch that effect really well. Nevertheless, let's take a look at how the saber works. And there's the 3-second shutdown. I modified the middle bubble to double as an activation switch. I also made the bubble strip myself. Let's take a closer look how the blade looks. Tighten the retention screw a little bit. I'm using a 1-inch TransWhite blade tube in this. It has a pointed tip and a couple of sheets of cellophane inside. The TripleForce is really bright blue blade, and I like it a lot for a flashlight saber. So let's take a closer look at the effects. As you can see, I configured a subtle flicker effect for the blade. Like that. Well, hope you liked it. I sure do. Well, thanks. Bye.